Could you say just a few words about comparison between the balloon we have out here and how it compares with Thaddeus Lowe's balloon?
Sure. The balloon I used on June 18th, 1863 was a 33,000 cubic foot balloon. This is a 19,000 cubic foot balloon. It's a U.S. Navy trainer built in 1941, used to train Navy pilots before they went or transitioned to airship. It is the same technology. It is a netted gas balloon. Nothing is changed. This material is rubberized. The material back then, it was more of a fabric coated with my special varnish. But for all intent and purposes, the operational principles are the same. Lighter air goes up. When it cools, or when I valve and let air out of the top, I come down. I could also be pulled down by the winch. If you see sandbags on the side of a balloon basket, that's a gas balloon. You don't see that on hot air balloons. Hot air balloons control their altitude by the amount of heat they keep in the envelope. If I want to go higher, I put more heat in the envelope. If I want to descend, I let it cool. Gravity works no matter where you are. In a gas balloon, in a hot air balloon, I fly for an hour, hour and a half, generally starting at sunrise because that's when the winds are most calm. As the sun comes up, it heats the earth. That heat rises and creates wind and thermals and unstable air. Because I don't have engines like powered flights, I want to be down before that starts. So a typical hot air balloon flight will last for an hour, hour and a half in the early morning hours. Sometimes from the Midwest to the East Coast, you have a hot air balloon flight in the evenings. But typically from the Midwest to the West Coast, the sun's still too high at altitude, heating the earth, which makes the winds stronger in the evenings. And in stronger winds, that means faster landings and more challenging for us as pilots. We become passengers then and not pilots. I can keep it in the air, but faster winds means a bigger area to land, means more of a chance to damage the equipment or myself or my passengers.